Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use Fireflies AI in Zoom. This is a great way to automatically record, transcribe, and summarize your meetings. Now let's get started. On the Zoom application dashboard, we will integrate Fireflies. To do this, click on Apps on the left side of the dashboard. You can find it in the middle left part of the application. Once we see this, we just need to click here. Once we are in the Apps section, click Add Apps at the top. Then go to the search bar and type Firefly. We will see two Fireflies AI options, but both are the same. Choose this one, the Fireflies Note Taker by Fireflies. The other option is for phone, so since we are using a desktop, we will go with this version. Just click Add, and we will be redirected to the website so we can connect our account. Here, we just need to log in with our credentials. Log in with your account, then confirm and continue. Once we're done, just click Continue to log in. Then enter your password to confirm. Skip this step, select the account, and then log in. Now we can add our Fireflies account. Once we log in, it will be connected to Zoom. We can now start using Fireflies on calls so it can help record and transcribe our meetings. And that's how we use Fireflies AI in Zoom. With this simple setup, our meetings can be more organized and efficient.